Okay guys, let's just dive into this look because I don't want it to be too long. I'm really not no makeup artist, makeup guru. I'm really nothing of the sort. I'm just gonna do what I know how to do really, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. Why I'm looking a bit orange is because I've already color corrected with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the orange one. First of all, I'm gonna powder my face before I put on my foundation. So I'm gonna use my Avon Color Trend translucent tan powder. So I'm gonna go in for my Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless one, for normal to oily skin, and this is in the shade 350, and I'm gonna mix that in with my LA Girl Pro concealer actually, because this on its own is just a bit dark and red for me. So now I've done that, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I am using this Revolution Conceal and Define concealer that just recently came out, and I'm using this in the shade C12. So now I've done that, I want to quickly set underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I don't really like to heavily bake, but I'm just going to leave some of that powder underneath to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. So I've gone into this like orangey brown shadow. So next I'm going to take this pink colour up here, and that is what I'm going to be using in my crease. Now you guys know like I'm really ugly in real life, I'm really sorry. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this this pink color here. So now that I've done my eyes, I'm gonna go in with mascara and my lashes. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've put on my lashes and I've done my mascara as well. So I'm going to put some eyeshadow underneath my eyes to kind of complete the look along with mascara, but not before I blend out the bake that is currently sitting under my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour.
Don't stop now. Baby, when
now I'm going to go in and set that contour, the liquid contour, and I'm going to go in with my very dirty sleek face form palette. Now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and set my smile line. So now I'm going to set that contour on my nose. I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Brow This Way eyebrow gel. I'm gonna go in with my under eye and, you know, finish off the eye look. So again, I'm gonna go in with this brown that I used before. Now we've done that, I'm gonna go in with my lips.
From a rookie, girl, get your pretty self over here, give me them cookies. Move that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, drop it for me, baby, we can roll. Pop, lock and drop it. 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 I guess that's what it is then, world. Hits committed. Oh, you ain't so deaf. Convict, what's up, man? Hey, y'all can roll with us and get rolled over, man. Already.
So I finished doing my hair, and this is kind of how I would rock it. It's really nice, loose, kind of wavy kind of curls in an up down style. Just really like, I don't know, fun and girly and kind of feminine, but you can do your hair any way you want. So now I'm gonna get into the outfit options and show you, actually I'm just gonna show you one outfit of what I'd possibly wear on Valentine's Day if I was going out. Most of these outfits are kind of more for like going out, so like to a restaurant or to a bar. However, you can kind of dress down these pieces for daytime. The outfits I just picked out from my wardrobe. I was gonna buy some new outfits for you guys to show you guys, but I didn't have enough time, so I do apologize. Please forgive me. So the first outfit I have is featuring these leather red trousers. I would pair these leather trousers with this t-shirt over here, and it just looks like this. I just feel like these together would just look really cute. I feel like it's a perfect way to dress up but like still be dressed down, so not look like you're doing the absolute most but still look like you're doing the absolute most, because I mean you're going to see an MCM, so you know you want to look cute. Okay. With this outfit I would pair this shoe with it, and it's this misguided strappy sandal heels. The heel just kind of makes the outfit really classy and just pulls the whole look together, so I'm gonna try this on for you guys. It's not really a girly kind of outfit, well it kind of is, kind of not, but like I like to dress up with a bit of edge. I don't like to look too boring. Excuse my fupa, guys. So this is outfit number 1.
Don't have to watch what I say with you. It's like I know you since I was 2. Think I took my first steps with you to make you happy, anything I'll do. Baby, let's take a cruise. The water's warm, you can get into it. The music in your hands is smooth. You can go where you want to.
So this is the second outfit I would wear. It's just this cropped wrap blouse from Misguided with a pair of light blue jeans. You kind of look sexy with all your décolletage out, I think that's what you call it, or your neck area. With some jeans you kind of dress down the look and just make it like sexy and casual. And you can wear it with these shoes that I showed to you in my previous haul, and they're just a hot pink kind of sandal heel, and I think these would really complement the outfit well. That is it for the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.